Hello friend, welcome to my channel Take a Dialogue. Today I will show you a very interesting trick which is Capcut transparency text in video. After watching my video you can easily use this trick on your video and make your video very interesting. So don't delay, let's go. First open the Capcut app and click on media. Then you have to import the video, so click on import and select the video that you will use for the text. Drag the video in timeline. Then on the top of left side of Capcut, click on text. Then drag the text and keep it on the video and make the text enlarge. Then on the top of right side, type the text what you want to add in your video. I am typing do every day. If you want, you can change the font style. So click on style and select the text that you like. Okay, and then you can also change the font size. I'm changing the size and make it some bigger. After that, right click on the video and timeline and click on copy. Then paste it on the top of the text. Right click and then paste. The copied video will be on the top of the text. Then go to the right side of the Capcut and click on remove BG. Then click on auto removal. You can watch the background is removing process, and within short the background will be removed and you will see the confirmation message. Then you have to copy the text on timeline and paste it on the top of the video. Then you have to change the text color. So click on color and make it black. Then you have to go downwards and click in on stroke. In a stroke, click on the color menu and make it full white. And minimize the thickness. I am keeping 8. Thereafter, right click on the top text and click on the create compound clip. Then you have to go right side on top and click on video. Then click on basic and then you have to click on blend. After clicking blend, you have to change the mode from default to screen. And that's it. If you play the video now, you will see the magic happen. Then you can export the video and can save in your PC. Then you can use it on your any social media platform like Facebook, Instagram, etc. Isn't it a easy process? So guys, please try this at home and let me know. It will be very interesting. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel Take a Dialogue and you can also share your experience after following the steps. Okay, that's all. Take care. Goodbye.